Yeah, my phone. Yeah, my phone.
Hi guys, come with me to Trade Fair Market to get my content creation equipment. So yeah, this is me at Oshodi trying to locate buses going to my 2. Finally entered one of the buses and I secured myself a very nice spot to sit. Usually these buses charges 500, 700 depending on the time you're boarding, but luckily for us we paid 300 naira to my 2. Just after I alighted from the bus, there is this narrow road that leads to Underbridge my 2 to get buses going to Iyanova. If you are a newbie to this route, make sure to sing to the hearing of the driver that you'll be stopping at Trade Fair Underbridge. When you alight from the bus, you should see a bridge and so many colored umbrellas. You can either take a bike, but I decided to trek because I went through Abia Gate and Abia Gate is not far from the Underbridge. So I got there and I was trying to figure my way out because I've not been to the section where they sell rig lights before. So I asked questions from people around that I am going to the section where they sell ring lights and the likes. So I was directed and I was told to keep walking straight down. I mean, my mom always says that those who seek guidance rarely go astray. I kept walking like I knew where I was going. Yes, maybe I knew where I was going, but how do I get there? I don't know. But I kept trusting the process. Honestly, at some point, I got so tired and confused that I had to stop vlogging.
A few moments later.
I did it, guys. I located the place and this was the first store I entered. I was given 2 options, the 800 professional LED light and the 600 professional LED light. She tested them and the brightness, oh my god. The light currently on is the 600 professional LED light. The brightness is not bad at all. She showed me the 800 professional LED light just to compare to the 600 LED light, and trust me to say, the difference was really clear. Then I asked for the prices, but the prices she gave me was not up to my budget. And then I decided to check other stores for tripods and the likes. So I saw this store where they sell strictly content creation stuff, from ring lights to LED lights to microphones to tripods. Just think of it, anything at all about content creation, they sell it. Then she brought out varieties of tripods. This pink one served as a selfie stick and also a tripod, but I needed something really strong, something that I can use when I'm outdoor shooting, something I can use indoor as well. So I asked for another type. I think this pink one was for 4-5 thereabout. I can't really remember. And then she brought this steel one, the one that has this iron steel. She said this one is for 7k, but I wasn't convinced enough. Then I asked for another one. And then she brought this particular tripod. This tripod is an AI face tracking tripod. It rotates 360, follows you wherever you go, and it also has a Bluetooth that serves as a remote control. I mean, when I saw it, I'm like, okay, I think this looks like something that I would love to buy. It also has the tripod length. It comes with a manual, and you know, when I saw it, I was just so happy to get it. And I think this cost 27,000 naira. Yeah, that was the price, 27,000 naira. I also got this mini light that can go with me in my bag for outdoor shoots and also for night selfies. You know what I mean? I asked for the price of the 800 LED professional light, and surprisingly, the price that was given to me was way more better than the first store. I was given for 35k. I priced it down to 30,000 naira and she agreed. That's market for you. I also got the mini light for 7,000 naira. Everything cost 64,000 naira. So were they a good buy? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for coming with me. See you in my next video. Bye.